Hello, my name is DevMagic, and today I will show you how to get onto the modded server. To join the modded server, you need a modpack launcher. There are two options, Multi-MC and Technic Launcher. I will show you how to download Multi-MC and install the modpack with it. First of all, you need Multi-MC. Therefore, you just search for Multi-MC. You should find the multimc.org website. Just go on it, go on to download and install, and download and install Multi-MC for your operating system. I already have done it. If we open Multi-MC now, we have to select the language first. After that, we have to select a Java version. Please make sure that you have Java 8 64-bit installed and selected. For me it is the default version. Also, increase the maximum memory to at least 5 GB. 5 GB are 1024 multiplied by 5, which is 5020. For me, I have a lot of RAM. I will increase it to 8 GB, which is 8192. After that, you just go forward. I already have installed a few mod packs. To install the Hololive modded mod pack, you go onto Add Instance, Technic, and search for Hololive. You should find the Hololive fan server modded mod pack. Just select it and click OK. Now the mod pack will automatically be installed and ready to launch. If you have bought Minecraft, you can go to Manage Accounts, Add, and add your account. If you have the correct version of Multi-MC, just enter a username. Now you are ready to launch. Just start a mod pack. If you see Gura in the right bottom corner, you're fine. The mod packs usually takes a few minutes to start. For me it's 4. For you it is probably longer. Let's skip the loading screen. After the modpack has started, you can go on to multiplayer. There you will find the Hololive modded server. After the login, you will be presented with the voice chat configuration. This has to be configured after each restart of the game. Just go next. Select your microphone, set your boost, also you can test your voice. You may have to increase it a bit. And you're done. If you want to change your options again, just press dot on your keyboard. Now you have to register or log in. It depends if you're registered on the main server or not. Your login will log in from the main server, if you're already registered. Now you're at spawn. You usually will find it quite hard to get down from here. But do not worry, we are on modded, we have elevators. Just go onto one of the boats, step onto the elevator and sneak. Now you are free to travel the world. Welcome to the modded server. Please note, most of the keybinds are not set. You may have to configure them manually. Just go onto Options, Controls, and set the keys you need. Have fun!